Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we are here at scanning center. Shaariq, what do you want? We are going there? In what we are going to go?
What is ship name, my dear?
Daddy going to go inside and go ship.
We will go, okay? Today is 8th February 2021 and we are traveling to Minicoy. They are checking the COVID reports. One day before we did the COVID test at Lakshadweep guest house and it is free there.
You go there.
And also if you wish you can do it out as your wish. We have checked in and now we are waiting here at the waiting room and we'll be going soon. Here there is a big row of luggages, you can see it, yet they have not started leaving the people inside. We are waiting, soon we'll be going inside. There is a very big row, you can see. Now we have already scanned the luggages and we are going to get into the bus. First we have to put the luggages into the truck. Now it's time to get into the bus and here I am in the bus. You can see the view all around. It takes about 10 minutes to reach the wharf. Now we reach the wharf and you can see the ship MV Corals and also see all around. Now we have taken the luggages and passengers are started boarding and I am here to take the view. After the view, I will also be on board soon. You can see the ship. You can see the view, it's so beautiful. I'm so excited to take this video and soon I'll be on board. The capacity of this ship is 400 passengers. This is the gangway and so let's go on board. Finally I am on board and let's find my cabin. It's second class cabin number 9 and so let's go. Here you can see the sign way to second class cabin and I'm on the way. Here I am entering my cabin and I'll give you a cabin tour. Here you can see my cabin and there are 4 beds in the cabin. Each bed has a wardrobe. And also this cabin is bath attached, you can see it. You can see the bathroom, it's clean and hygienic. We should not put any waste. You can see it written. This is the shower area. And also there is one sofa and chair. This is the food timings for cabin class passengers. You can see it. We should be on time. I'll show you the view from the cabin porthole. You can see it. It's very beautiful. Here these are life rafts, and the capacity of these life rafts are 20 to 25 persons. And here this is a red box, and in this box there are life jackets. You can see it. You can see the symbol. This is the lifeboat, and it has 80 persons capacity. These same things are there in the other side also, and these all things are needed during emergency. This is the master station, and when the captain announces in emergency, all the passengers should be here. Son are here, and my son is eating strawberry and blueberry. Also, he is watching phone to time pass. We came here to roam out, and Shaariq is freely roaming, you can see, and there is a cool breeze, and the ship has started sailing. Because of COVID protocol, passengers are not allowed everywhere. Mostly all places are restricted, so it's really boring. Only we can roam in these two sides. Shaariq is on board first time and he has lots of doubts. He keeps on irritating his daddy by asking questions.
Come. Fire, that is fire man. That is
Fire, my dear.
the fire machine.
Then black one what it is? Till?
Black one is fresh water.
Oh, where you are? Where you are? Where you are, my dear? Shaariq, where you are? Huh?
I'm here.
Where? Place it will ship or where it is?
It's very low pressure.
This is the information center where we can get any information such as hospital, rooms and blankets or anything you want during the travel. We roamed a lot and we are very hungry, and now it's dinner time and we are here at second class cafeteria. We are going back to the cabin because we don't like the canteen smell, and Shaariq's daddy will bring the dinner to the cabin. Finally the dinner came and now we are going to have our dinner. So daddy brought food for
Shaariq.
what all are there?
Watermelon, this fish, this one, this one, this
What is
one.
this? Chapati,
Chapati,
dal curry,
dal curry,
green fish curry.
then this curry.
Now who is going to eat?
ഗ്ലാസ് കട്ടിയിൽ നിന്ന് ലഭിക്കുന്ന പാർസൽ പ്ലേറ്റുകൾ ഡിസ്പോസൽ ഗ്ലാസുകൾ ഇവയൊക്കെ തന്നെ നിങ്ങളുടെ
and something singing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, sing, sit and sing. I'll tell nicer. Sing it. From first you sing, I'll give them sweet.
Ale knife, huh?
Oh, that you go to movie now.
This is not for you.
Sing. I'll give chocolate. Sing.
Sing.
Quran pada then.
Quran pada then.
Suki kalang. I don't know even you know the lines. Sare sepat. Head will dash, huh? Yeah, close.
The next morning.